Hello, PMP aspirants. I have an interesting question for you. Here, Julie works in an IT project. After several brainstorming sessions with customers, Julie established various project deliverables. 2 weeks later, while reviewing the plan, Julie identifies two similar deliverables and decides to merge them into a single deliverable. What should Julie do next? It's a very sensible question. She found something very similar deliverables and decides to merge. Yeah, that's a good decision. At the same time, she already had a good discussion, brainstorming discussion with the customer, which also shows good collaboration has happened. Now the ask is what she has to do next. It looks very decent question. Talks about what kind of decision a manager, a leader, agile scrum master, or could be a product owner, or could be somebody who leads effort has to take a call here. Now, what kind of answers here? The answers goes like merge the deliverables and inform the customer. Nice. Merge the deliverables, but do not update the plan or project management plan. Merge the deliverables, but do not inform the customer. Submit the need to merge to the customer. So answers looks good here. Now, what is the mindset PMI is looking for? Let us see what is the mindset. When I say mindset, PMI here would be targeting on more of how a stakeholder engagement is going to happen. What kind of mindset we have when we want to communicate to our customer? Are we going to keep things so transparent, open enough? Are we going to involve our customer into the system while making decisions? So now PMI looks into the mindset here of how you join hands with the customer. If you look at the Agile way, in Agile way under the Scrum methodology, we talk about transparency, giving visibility to the significant aspects of the process to those responsible for the outcome. So how do you keep things very open and transparent? And in stakeholder engagement, how do you involve your stakeholders to make a decision, join hands on taking responsibility while you decide something very crucial? So now with this mindset, if you come back, chances are our elimination technique will help us to eliminate some unwanted answers and target the right answer. So we'll come back to the keywords here. The keywords is several brainstorming sessions have happened, which means a good amount of collaboration happened when there was a discussion to talk about deliverables. But later, 2 weeks later, she on her own individually found two similar deliverables and decides to merge. Before you say what is right, it is always in PMI, PMP good to eliminate two answers or one answer so that you can target the right answers. Now, how to eliminate? In these four choices, if you see any keywords which talks about avoid it, ignore it, or don't do it, these are the words, little negative sense. It may not be a right answer. Let's read these words here. Merge the deliverables, okay, but do not update the plan. Merge the deliverables, but do not inform the customer. So here, the do not updating the plan or do not inform the customer looks a little bit more of a command and control, where you want to do something, but you will not be transparent. You don't want to share anything. You will not do it properly. So I would say these two will go as the elimination technique. Remove two these answers because of negative words. Now we have two answers here. Competition is between A and D. So recall the PMI mindset, what I mentioned now, where they look out for a stakeholder engagement, where they look out for how do you collaborate, keep things transparent. So the decisions are made crucial. The reason is this customer is the one who is going to do UAT with you. That is called user acceptance testing or product review with you, who has to agree what you deliver. If that's the case, the customer should know that. Yeah, we got it. Should know that. But what is the way to know this? Is it something merge the deliverables and inform? You merge it on some time and you inform to the customer at some time. Maybe you merge it in the month of May. However, you will inform the customer in the month of November. Will that be fine? That's a little dangerous. So what is the next answer? Submit the need, the question mark, to merge with the customer or to the customer. What is happening here? What is the difference between A and D? Now, A is, yes, good, you merge it as you decided, and also you inform the customer. But how quick you're going to inform, when you're going to inform, we may not know. At the same time, when you submit the need to merge, yeah, I have an idea to merge similar deliverables, all that I can merge it, but I have an idea. Why don't we talk? The reason is while you have a conversation with the customer, chances are you may get better thought process. Chances are good amount of collaboration happens. Chances are customer is aware of some of the risk factors or some of the advantages which is going to happen here. Imagine I'm going to the store, buying a lot of textile and some electronics items in the store. Now I'm in the billing counter and this person is putting everything in the bags. And of course, the stores give their own bag, right? Sometimes they try to put all the items in one bag or two bags. Sometimes a storekeeper or the billing person question with me or you, sir, can I put these two items in the same bag? Of course, a very simple question, but it's a very powerful question. Now I look at this person and say that, actually, why don't you put in two different bags? Because I'm taking one of the bag to my cousin's place. Now it looks very simple, but there's a good amount of customer collaboration happened. A customer involvement happened. A customer is happy enough. Somebody is asking you, somebody is taking you suggestions. Now what happened? Implicitly, you get connected next time you go to the same store. Now, what is the PMI mindset here? The PMI is looking for a person who also can make a decision. Yeah, you can make a decision what to do. At the same time, you keep your doors open to talk to the customer and come to a common good conclusion, which can be good win-win for both the party. Now, what's the answer here? So now I believe you got the answer. The answer here goes to when you want to do some decision, I'm sure it's good, but when it is on deliverables, who is going to really benefit is customer. And the preferred and better answer here is submit the need to change to the customer. Definitely it'll be good or bad, sometimes ignored, but it's always good to talk to them so that you keeping your doors open and transparent. I believe you got the answers clearly. The PMI exams have the questions, looks very simple. But at the same time, when you understand the mindset of PMI, what they're looking for, that sure helps you to answer better. So main thing is read the question, read the keywords in the question, eliminate two answers which may not be closely related, and then target the right answer with the mindset of PMI. I'm sure you'll get the right choices and right answers. Good wishes and keep rocking.